Welcome to your beginner dumbbell full body workout.
Discover a simple and effective dumbbell routine that hits all major muscle groups. This guide is perfect for beginners and can be done at home with just one pair of dumbbells. Each movement is easy to learn and helps build strength, improve balance, and boost confidence. Let's get started on your fitness journey together.
Essential tips before you begin.
Always warm up with a few minutes of light cardio, such as marching in place or arm circles, to prepare your body. Choose a weight that feels challenging but allows you to use good form. Focus on slow, controlled movements instead of speed. Remember to breathe steadily and never force a rep. If you feel pain, stop and rest.
Upper body, chest, back, and arms.
Start with dumbbell chest presses and bend over rows to target your chest and back. Perform shoulder presses to strengthen your shoulders, then biceps curls and triceps extensions to work your arms. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise, resting about a minute between sets.
Lower body, legs, and glutes.
For your lower body, try dumbbell squats and lunges to engage your thighs and glutes. Deadlifts are excellent for your hamstrings and lower back. Use slow, steady movements to maximize muscle engagement and reduce risk of injury. Complete 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each lower body move.
Core and cool down, finishing strong.
Finish with a core exercise like dumbbell Russian twists or standing side bends, aiming for 2 sets of 15 repetitions. After your workout, take 5 minutes to stretch your arms, legs, and back. Stretching improves flexibility and helps prevent soreness. Repeat this routine 2 to 3 times per week for balanced, full body strength.
Building healthy habits.
Consistency is key to seeing progress. Stick with the routine, gradually increase your weights as you get stronger, and celebrate your improvements. Remember, rest is important. Give your muscles time to recover between sessions. Pair your workouts with balanced nutrition and adequate sleep to support your fitness journey.